Another common trim carpentry application is installing crown molding. In this example, we're going to cut a piece of tall crown molding to wrap around an inside corner using the traditional method, with the molding positioned flat on the saw's table to make the cut. First, we'll cut the left-hand piece. Place the top of the molding against the fence, set the bevel to 33.85, set the miter to the right at 31.62, and make the cut. Notice I'm saving the left piece, which I'll set aside. Next, we'll cut the right-hand piece. This time, we'll place the bottom of the molding against the fence. Leave the bevel set at 33.85, set the miter to the left at 31.62, and make the cut. We'll save the left piece here as well. When I put these two pieces together, you can see that they fit perfectly.